Hey, so you're ready for a website. Super exciting. Good stuff. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get hosting with Siteground and also how to get WordPress installed. So those are two big steps to getting your website off the ground. I use Siteground. I've used other hosts. I've worked with clients on other hosts, and Siteground to me is hands down my very, very favorite. It's safe, it's secure, their customer service is second to none, it's affordable. Pretty much I just love Siteground and I strongly recommend them. I used to use Bluehost. I've transferred everything over from Bluehost after issues with Bluehost. So I use Siteground. I love it. This is their homepage, and I'm going to kind of walk you through it. This is the best part of Siteground. They have a customer service number right up here at the top of their homepage, so you can talk to them. They also have a live chat that's super responsive. I have used both of them, and they're great. So what you want to do is we're going to look for web hosting and scroll down here. So we're going to go to web hosting here. And here are their different plans they have. There's the Startup, the Grow Big, and the Go Geek websites. The Startup is perfect if you're just going to have one website. That's all you need. It's suitable for 10,000 visits monthly, which is great for a small business. And it has all their essential features. And one key you really want to look for is that they have SSL certificates, free SSL certificates, and it's in the left-hand column up from the bottom, free SSL HTTP2. What that means is you'll get an HTTPS URL, and that's free, and so it's a secure site. You can accept payments and all those kinds of things on your website. If you're going to have multiple websites that you're using on SiteGround, then you need to get the Grow Big plan for $9.95 a month, or the Go Geek. This is great for developers because they have staging and some different features. But just to get started, the Startup is an awesome plan. So we'll click there. Now you can register a new domain with them, or you can already have your own domain. If you already have a domain, then you just click there and we're going to proceed. But if you are purchasing a domain name, you can do that directly through SiteGround, or you can point, like if you have domain names at Namecheap or GoDaddy or wherever, you can point them to your hosting at SiteGround. So we're going to say we already have a domain name. Oh, we have to enter it in there. So I'm going to put in, that's the name of my novel. Now we're ready. And all we have to do is add our email, our password, client information, so your country, first name, last name, and then obviously your card information. Your purchasing information. We're getting the Startup plan. It's for 12 months. It's $4.95 a month. And then there's extra services. So we can transfer our website for free, which is awesome. They will walk you through that. And they also have SiteGround Site Scanner, which is a daily scanner. They just scan your site if there's any malware or if you've been hacked, which is super helpful. You can get that or not. I do have it on my sites. You can click that off right there and it will adjust your total accordingly. Then we are going to pay now. But once you paid, we're going to log in, and I will show you how to set up WordPress. Here is the login page for SiteGround. It's just siteground.com/login, and we are going to go ahead and, using your email and your password that you set up when you registered an account, you're going to sign in. And here we are on the back end of SiteGround. This is just promotions. You don't really need to pay attention to this page. We want to go to My Accounts and the cPanel. So on your accounts, you can see all of your different websites that you have here. You can see any domain names that you own with SiteGround down here at the bottom. We are going to go to the cPanel. Now the cPanel is where you will run and access all your files for your website, and it's a super helpful, super user-friendly space. They also have down here auto installers, a WordPress auto installer, which is great. And there's two ways to install WordPress. If you already got a website and it's up and running and it's fine, you might install WordPress on a subdomain, which means it would be like newsite.mybusinesssite.com, and then your original business site will keep going. If not, if this is a brand new site, we're just going to go install WordPress on it. So we'll click on WordPress. This is a WordPress auto installer. Here are my current installations. If I want to install WordPress, I'm going to click here on the install button, and then I'm going to click on install now. Now I'm going to choose, I want HTTPS, HTTP. What do I want? We'll just do HTTP for now. So choose a domain name that you put in there when you registered your business. Then your site settings and all of these, my blog, my WordPress blog, you can change all of this as soon as you get WordPress installed. So you can update that now or you can update it later. It really doesn't matter. Your admin username, you want to put admin name here that is, you don't want to use admin or your name. You want to have something because this is going to be a name. You don't want your site to get hacked. So use a tricky name. You want a super strong password. And you also want to add your regular email here, not whatever they plug in, because you won't get it if it's whatever they plug in. Select your language and then choose your theme to install. You can just put none and then WordPress like 2018, 2017, whatever will install. And then you just click install and that's it. You are ready to go. You will have your website, you'll have WordPress installed on it. Super easy. If then you get to your website and you're like, oh my God, what now? I don't know. And you need help with your branding and your copywriting and your design. I have a program called Create Your Dream Website. I'd love to share it with you and help you get your website going. Really, this step is a small step in the whole piece of getting a gorgeous website up that actually attracts your ideal clients. So there you have it. That's how you get it all installed. That's how you use Siteground. I encourage you to use Siteground. There's a link below this video. It is an affiliate link, and I would appreciate you using it if you're going to go with Siteground. I hope that helps, and have a great day.